My name is Heather Griffing, and I'm Chief Operating Officer for American Community Management. We have 3 questions that are commonly asked of our clients. The first question is, how do I make a payment and see my account balance? The second question is, how do I view my association governing documents? And the third question is, how do I contact my board of directors? So we solve those problems by having a useful online client portal where our clients can log in and view all this information. For example, they can log in and view their governing documents right under the document section of the portal. Also within there is their meeting minutes, budget, COI, and a lot more helpful information. Secondly, they can go in and view their account information. When they log in, they look for their account info box where they can view their account details and also set up an online payment. Online payments are great. You go right to the bank through our portal and you can set up a one-time payment or set up reoccurring payments. And lastly, one of my favorite tools is our resident request feature. When you log into the portal, you click on resident request, and this is how you communicate with management and your board of directors. Resident requests are answered within 24 to 48 hours. More complex matters may take additional time. These items are also shared with your board of directors to keep them informed as well. We also encourage you to check out our mobile app called Community Link from your device's app store.